Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how we can create YouTube video intros inside Canva. Yes guys, you heard it right. We can create YouTube video intros in Canva. If you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, if you see, I am currently on canva.com. So in the browser, you need to type canva.com and then you need to create an account on this platform using the social login like Google or Facebook. And then after logging in, you are going to see this page. So this is the dashboard page. Then under the search option over here, you need to type YouTube video intro. So once you click on YouTube video intros, then you are going to see the different types of YouTube video intro templates. So you can see all the templates from different categories. So some of the templates are paid. So you can recognize the paid templates using this pro, basically the word. And all the paid ones are for the users who are on Canva paid plan. But there are many templates available for free. So guys, also you can filter the templates using the categories. Like for social media, you need to click on social media. Then you can see there are again many types of categories. For other categories like business also, you can create YouTube video intros. Now guys, let's select one of the YouTube video intro templates. So guys, now let me select this particular template. So guys, I need to now click on customize this template button. So guys, after clicking in the new window, it will show this page. So this is the YouTube video intro. So if I play this video, then you are going to see that the YouTube video intro looks like this. So we have this text as welcome to my channel, and we also have this image. So we can change that also. So now let's see how we can change this. So let's click on so we need to click on this image and we can replace the image. So let's delete this image and then guys we can insert the new image. So we need to upload an image and we need to replace it over here. And guys we can create intros like this. So even I can change this particular text also. So welcome to my channel. What I'll say? Welcome to Code It. Okay, so like this you guys can also do, and I'll change this name to code 8. And now guys let's play. So there you go. Similar intros also you guys can create for your YouTube videos. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how you can create YouTube video intros inside Canva. If the video was helpful to you, then please go ahead and smash the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Also please like and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you.